advantageous. Deep in an old forest clearing, a forgotten Lamborghini Miura sits covered in rust and dust. The silence
Moss clings to pitted metal and flaking paint, every crack and rusted patch telling a story of years untouched, hiding the brilliance buried beneath. Delicate hands attach toe straps slowly and carefully, each movement calculated to preserve fragile metal beneath decades of neglect. The Miura gently rises onto the flatbed, every inch revealing worn edges and faded glory as it begins its journey toward rebirth. Under soft workshop lights, the abandoned Miura arrives, its story still written in rust and faded paint, ready for meticulous hands. Under soft workshop lights, the abandoned Miura arrives, its story still written in rust and faded paint, ready for meticulous hands. A gentle rinse washes decades of dust away, droplets sliding over corrosion and decay, revealing subtle contours. Foam brushes caress hardened grime, each slow stroke lifting layers of yesterday, unmasking metal beneath. The door creaks open, exposing worn leather and dusty dials. Silence echoing inside where life once pulsed. Seats are eased from their mounts, bolts turning slowly, reluctant to release decades of history. Dashboard pieces are gently lifted out, wires exposed amber, every inch whispering stories of time past.
Sandpaper glides over rusted metal, scraping away corrosion in slow, satisfying strokes, revealing hidden texture beneath.
With measured pressure, a grinder eases.
The tired engine rises from the chassis, cradled gently, every motion deliberate, carrying echoes of past power. Oil and grime are brushed away with delicate care, each sweep revealing the intricate geometry beneath years of neglect.
Old bushings are replaced with precision, bolts turned slowly, suspension components gaining new life under patient hands.
Primer spray rises in soft arcs, coating panels evenly, laying the foundation for transformation in silent rhythm. A fresh base coat glides across once dull metal, color and life returning with each measured pass of the spray gun. Clear coat brings a silky gloss that reflects light like liquid glass, each stroke sealing renewal across every curve.
Wheels and brake assemblies are fitted with care, and bolts turn slowly, invoking a rhythmic hum of precision and balance.
Microfiber cloth glides across gleaming panels, each sweep polishing reflections into perfection valid. Calming, precise, complete. From abandoned relic to radiant masterpiece, this restored Miura stands tall, every curve glowing. Under soft studio lights, the fully restored Miura stands in silence, reflections flowing across its perfect curves. From forgotten metal to timeless beauty, this transformation is complete. Welcome to Classic Restore Hub,